Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download and play EAFC 24 mobile. So the first thing that you'll need to do in order to play this game is we're going to download it first. So in order to get this, you know, since it's new, we'll have to download a VPN. So I am using a Tunnel Bear, so you can use this as well. And then you will just have to install this and then connect this VPN to Malaysia. Okay, like what I am doing. So after connecting that one, you can now okay, so let's turn this on first. Okay, just toggle the switch on, and then when it turns green, you can now go to your Play Store and then you can now search for FIFA 24. Okay, and then scroll down until you see this one. So you will just have to tap on it and then install this application. Then right after installing all of the resources of this application, you can now start playing without any distraction because it is a free app if you will just going to follow those steps. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.